Look at that cute little dog. That's Mimi Bear. But she got a haircut. Can't believe the groomer cut her hair. Oh, and it's freaking cold out here. It's 26 degrees. But nothing makes Mimi deter from her mission as super dog. Especially when there's something yummy on the barbecue. That's right. Nothing like barbecuing steaks in 26 degree weather with snow on the grounds. Woo! Oh, there's the moon. All right. All right, well, here we go. We're cooking. So, letting it sizzle. We got it at some medium high heat because it's 26 freaking degrees out here. So we're going to do the old thumb test. You know, like you go like this, and you can see how hard the meat is. It's still very soft. So that tells me the seasoning's good. That tells me it needs a way to go. Better close the hatch. All right.